Here you go. Do you want to put that on there?
What's that? What's that?
Can you do it?
Put this one. Put this one.
You can put that down. Good job. Alright, if it gets hard, you can put another one in this hole.
What's another one?
You can put it in here.
Uh-oh. The one.
In here.
Whoa.
You want Mommy to help you?
And Mommy's elbow to put in it.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
You want to turn it? That one goes in here. Alrighty. And that one goes in here. Good job. And that one goes in here. And then there's another one over there.
And one over here.
Thank you. So now you take this and you start turning it. You want to turn it? Good job. Right, you have to go to the right. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. See? Like that. But that's getting hard now, so why don't you do this one?
No.
I'll finish those.
Off. Off.
Mommy will finish those. Other way. Good job. Thank you for helping Mommy.